Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Calprotectin test kit. You can see this here. I'll just keep this to have a good view for you sometime. You can see this here, it says ichroma Calprotectin. This is from Boditech Incorporation, Korea. You can see the reference part number here. It says CFPC-38. This is CE certified product and it can be stored in room temperature. This is a 25 test kit pack and you can see the lot number is mentioned here. The manufacturing date and expiry date is also given. And just quickly I'll go through the intended use for you. You can see this here. ichroma Calprotectin is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of calprotectin MRP 8/14 S100A8 S100A9 in human faces. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of the reflex gastrointestinal inflammation caused by several pathologies: inflammatory bowel disease, colorectal cancer, and some enteropathies. This is for in vitro diagnostic use only. This is a 25 test kit box. In this box, it contains like 25 cartridges, 25 extra extraction buffer tubes, and one ID chip and one IFE brochure. Let me go around the box. This is quite a big box. You can see this is manufactured in Korea. Okay, this is what the box looks like. I'll just get this box open for you. Here you go. Okay, here you go. So inside the box, I just took this off. Inside the box, you can see there is one IFE brochure, and there is one IFE brochure. You can open this. Okay, here you go. You can see there is one IFE brochure says ichroma Calprotectin. You can see this has the complete instruction from the intended use principle and warning and caution and limitations of the test. You can see the materials required, sampling collection and processing, test setup. You can see the test procedure is given, and you can see the test interpretation of test results, quality controls, and performance characteristics. So you have the complete information to conduct this Calprotectin test. So just keep this aside. And further, if you go inside, you can see there is one ID chip. Okay, the ichroma ID chip is given here, and in the back of the chip you can see there is it says ID chip Calprotectin and lot number is also mentioned. We'll keep this here, okay. And then there is a 25 cartridges pouch. Okay, let me take this too. Okay, I'll keep this here. You can see the 25 cartridges. It says ichroma Calprotectin, and you can see the lot number is mentioned, and also you can see the expiry date is mentioned. So you have the 25 cartridges here, and there is a separate pouch, separate box, and you can see the 25 directed element. I'll take one out of this. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks like. Director. This is the extraction buffer tube. There are 25 pieces of extraction buffer tube. You can see this here. Extraction buffer tube. Putting it back. So there's a box to just keep this in a aligned manner. So this is how the box looks like. Just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unbox. Let me take this one and keep it here actually, okay? So it's easy. Okay. So just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Calprotectin test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. In the 25 test kit box, you get one IFU brochure, one ID chip, 25 cartridges, and 25 extraction detector tube. Okay, this is how it looks like. Let me show you closely. Okay. See the chip, the cartridges, and this. You can see this
actually.
Thank you.